Okay. How's it flying, guys? This is Lance Hawk30, and welcome to Sounds of Starbucks by Tim Hawkins. I've heard of Tim Hawkins before. He's done a few funny songs. It's like he parodied Hotel California, except instead of Hotel California, it was I'm a greeter at a Walmart in California. So that he's a funny guy from what I've seen. So, Sounds of Starbucks. I've heard Disturbed's version of Sound of Silence. So, I can only imagine how this is going to be. Links to the original video will be in the description. Go check it out. Anyways, let's go.
Hello, coffee, my old friend.
Uh-huh.
I hear the grinding of espresso beans. I need a double shot of pure caffeine. And the indie band on the speaker soothes my brain. So I'll remain within the sound.
I see what he's doing. Making fun of David Draymond and his piercings.
Cappuccino with a pumpkin scone and charge my phone. Listen to the sounds
Of Starbucks.
then I heard an awful scream.
Out.
They had toast run out of cream. A new employee spilled the coffee grounds, and the Wi-Fi went completely down.
No, the true disaster.
Lady in yoga pants threw a latte at the wall. The cops were called. Then came the sound of sirens. In the drive grenade I saw 1,000 hipsters, maybe more.
Hipsters.
Without drinking, people waiting, they were all freaking. People going off, 'cause they couldn't get a caramel frap.
Holy crap.
A riot started at Starbucks while a Bible study parade. Baristas formed a barricade. The manager cried out a warning
Warning.
to the angry mob that was forming. And he said, I checked Google Maps, there's another one across the street. So we stampede, return to the sounds of Starbucks.
Funny thing you guys probably didn't see, but this video, the ad at the start of this video was actually a Starbucks ad, so that's just like, oh, that's so funny. Man, this was good. I liked this. I really did. I really did. So, any song requests, please make them more like this, you know? Oh, boy. Anywho, what did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So, it seemed like the tempo was more in line with the original Sound of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel, but the style they went with the music video was more in line with the Disturbed version. So, I like that little mashup, and then, of course, the comedic delivery with Tim Hawkins, and always switching where the piercings were. I just thought that was very funny, and obvious parody of, poking fun at David Draymond's own piercings, where he has those little tusk-looking things down in his lip. But yeah, I like that. I'm gonna click like. So, and I hope you guys did too. What did you think of it? Let me know in the comments down below. Like if you enjoyed, comment what your thoughts were, subscribe if you're new, and tap the bell to get notified anytime I upload a video so you're not missing any content that I put out, whether it be a reaction, gameplay, or otherwise. This has been Lance Corporalhawk 30, signing